We are looking at some pretty nice high temperatures over the next few days. It'll be a little on the warm side, but at least we should keep most of us just below 90 degrees, between 87 and 88 Thursday into Friday. 80 degrees Saturday, clouds on the increase, rain chances increase as well. And then as we head into Sunday, that's where we have a cold front entering the region, chances for rain for part of the day. We'll get into that in a second. And then more 80s as we get into next week. So as far as your rain chances are concerned, 0 for Thursday, 20% on Friday, northwest of Waco, Temple, Killeen. I think most of Friday is going to be dry across a good portion of the area. Then on Saturday, the models are kind of all over the place today on whether we see rain, whether it stays just to our northwest. So we'll go about a 50-50 shot on Saturday. I don't think it'll be a washout all day at any one location. Then Saturday night going into Sunday morning, that's when we'll likely see the bulk and a line of showers and thunderstorms roll across the area, getting out of here by late morning, getting into the afternoon on Sunday, and then another chance for some thunderstorms by the middle part of next week. As far as our severe weather risk, I know a lot of folks will be traveling around, so if you're going anywhere from Dallas to Houston down to San Antonio, there will be a chance for thunderstorms across the area. I do think the best chance for Saturday will be across the western part of this yellow shade and then the eastern part as we head into Easter Sunday. Now, is this going to be a big old major severe weather risk? No. Just a few thunderstorms within the complex of storms may produce a little bit of hail and gusty winds. The tornado threat looks very low with this. That is good news. So overall, not a high severe weather threat. But anywhere you travel, we may see some thunderstorms that could contain pocket change size hail and maybe some gusty winds as well. So let's take a look at our future track. Going from now through Thursday, things are pretty quiet across the region. Friday's even pretty dry as well. Most of the thunderstorm activity will be north of us or developing to our northwest. That has been consistent. So the models have really locked in on that. Now, as we get into Saturday, this particular model has scattered showers and thunderstorms rolling across the area. I will tell you, there are a couple other models that are dry. So we're just going to have to kind of play this out, and hopefully they'll start to come in line with each other as we get a little bit closer. But I am at least banking on a few thunderstorms in our area. And again, a couple of strong thunderstorms can't be ruled out, especially Saturday night. And then by Sunday morning, I think this turns more into a rain event, as thunderstorms will weaken as they move from west to east across central Texas. We just don't have a lot of energy with this, and that will get out of here as we head into Sunday afternoon. Monday looks quiet across the area, and then as we advance toward next week, looks like by late Tuesday going into Wednesday and Thursday, thunderstorm chances will increase once again. As far as where the heaviest rain will be, it keeps jumping around. This particular run says it's from our area up into northeast Texas. It shifts to the north, it shifts to the south. Again, we'll see shifts in this over the next few runs, but hopefully at least an inch plus for the northern half of central Texas out of this thing, and lighter amounts as you head farther to the south. So for tonight, temperatures will be down into the 60s. It'll be a mild evening out there. And then we're looking at highs into the 80s primarily. There could be a couple 90s sprinkled in as we get into the afternoon hours. So it will be a little bit warmer than what we have been accustomed to around here, but it's still going to be pretty nice. Looking at your forecast, 87 goes to 88 on Friday, 20% chance of an isolated storm northwestern counties. Most of Friday will be fine for us. Saturday, on and off scattered showers and thunderstorms. That's what we'll go with now. Stay tuned on that. And as we get into Sunday morning, sunrise services could be affected by this. I really think there's going to be showers and thunderstorms around, but clearing out late morning into the afternoon from west to east. 77 for a high, 80 degrees on Monday, and then more 70s and 80s for next week, and maybe more storm chances as well. Looking at the Brazos Valley, 86 degrees on Thursday, Friday close to 90 at 89. Then a 50-50 shot of some scattered thunderstorms Saturday, but especially Saturday night, Sunday morning, that's when we'll have the highest chance for some thunderstorm activity. And as we go into next week, there could be a few more storms around as well.